In this class, now I am going to explain you some mains standard applications from binomial theorem, which are all same kind of applications in which we are going to find a remainder when a number is divided by other number. Now let us see those applications. The first one is find the remainder when 5 power 99 is divided by 5 power 99 is divided by 11. This is the question. What is the remainder when 5 power 99 is divided by 11? Now observe me how I am going to find the remainder. So first this one I would like to write 5 power 4 into 5 power 95. Can we write? Yes. See, in the next step I am going to write this one as 5 power 4 into, so this you can write as 5 power 95, no? So 5 power 5 into, so 5 ones are 5, so here 4 5 9s are 45. Shall we write like this? A power m whole power n equal to a power mn. See, why I have written, you will come to know in the next step. So 5 power 4, which becomes 625. So 5 power 5. So if you multiply 5 times, you will get 3125. Whole power 19. Now this 3125 in the next step, I am going to write as 3124 plus 1. Why I am writing like this? Because this 3124 is the multiple of 11. If you want, you can check. 3124 divided with 11. 11 2s are 22. So your remainder is 9 2. 11 8s are 88. Remainder is 4. Here 4. 11 4s are 44. You got the remainder 0. Hence, this is the multiple of 11. Because in this problem, we are going to find a remainder when it is divided by 11. Hence, it is a multiple of 11. Confirm that. So, next I am going to apply this binomial theorem. You know, exponent is 19. In its expansion, 20 terms you will get. Among that 20, from the first 19 you can able to take. So, this 3124 as common. Hence, so you can write this one as 625 into 3124 some integer k plus 1 power 19. 1 power 19. Okay students, 1 power 19 which becomes 1 only. See. Are you getting me? I am not writing all those 20 terms. Okay, just from the first 90 terms, I took 3124 common. Inside of the bracket, we get an integer that I represented with k. So this is the multiple of 11. So here 1 power 90. This is the last term in this 20. So next step, I am going to multiply 625 with these two. So that I will get 625 into 3124 into k plus, so here 625 into 1, 625. Now we have to divide with 11. If you divide with 11, so this is exactly divisible by 11. So that you can write here 0, remainder. So here divide 625 with 11. So what is the remainder when 625 divides with 11? Do it here. 11 5s are 55. So here remainder is 7 5. So 11 6 are 66. Remainder is 9. So on dividing 625 with 11 you are getting remainder as 9. Hence the remainder when 5 power 99 is divided by 11 is 9. 9 is the required remainder in this division. I hope you have understood how I have evaluated this. So same type of applications I taught to you in my previous revision class also. Okay, so this type of model of question is frequently occurring in the exams, so that today also I am going to focus on this type of models. I hope you have understood this. Now I am moving into other application. See students, 50th root of x. 50th root of x is 12 and 50th root of y is 18. Then what is the remainder when x plus y is divided by 25? This is the question. Okay students, try to understand the question. 50th root of x is 12 and 50th root of y is 18. Then what is the remainder when x plus y is divided by 25? This is the given data. Using this information, you would have to evaluate the remainder when it is divided by 25. Shall we find? See, 50th root of x. So if you take power 50 on both sides, then it can be written as x equal to 12 power 50. So this one also, if you take power 50 on both sides, you can get y is equal to 18 power 50. Now come here, 12 power 50 plus 18 power 50 whole by 25. Now evaluate the remainder. Okay students, see how I am going to answer to this question. This 12 I am going to split as like this. See, 12 power 50. I would like to write this as 12 square whole power 50 plus what about this 18? 18 I would like to write as 18 square 324. Yes, 18 square whole power 50 by 25. Okay students, in the next step, this 12 square 144 whole power 50, 144 whole power 50 plus this 18 square 324 whole power 50 by 25. Okay students, so in the next step I am going to write this 144 as 150 minus 1 whole power. So here 2 25s will come. Here 25, sorry. Here also 25, because see students, here 12 power 50 is there. I wrote 12 square, here whole power 25 will come. 25. Okay, here 150 minus 1 whole power 25 plus 325 minus 1 whole power 25 whole by 25. Now apply the binomial theorem for this, same like previous one. So here in the expansion there will be 26 terms, but last term will get as a positive number. Positive or negative? Negative number we will get, because so here students, for the last term r is an odd number, hence you will get a negative. So on its expansion, how do you write? 150k with minus 1. Okay, in the expansion there will be 26 terms. Among the 26, from the first 25 you can take 150 common, and inside you will get an integer. You get some expansion that should be represented with an integer k. In the last term, minus you will get. Why? You know, because this is exponent is an odd number, here minus is there, hence you will get minus 1. Minus 1 you will get. So here 325, same like this. 325, some integer. Here I took the integer as k, here you can write L. So in the last one also minus 1 by 25. So from these two you can write. So okay, this is a multiple of 25, this is a multiple of 25. On dividing these two with 25, it leaves here remainder 0 and here minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 25. But you know, in every division, remainder values would be either 0 or smaller than the divisor. So, here remainder can be 0 to 24. So, but here you are getting negative. Whenever you get the negative value here, I said to you to subtract this value from 25. 25 minus 2 you have to do. So, which leaves 23 as remainder. Simply this minus 2 should be added to this divisor so that you will get 23. The 23 is the required remainder when this is divisible by 25. Okay students, I hope you have understood this. Now let us go to one more application. Next, what is the remainder when 2023 whole power 2023 is divisible by 7? Is divisible by 7. How do you do this? Tell me. What is the remainder when 2023 whole power 2023 is divisible by 7? Same like previous one, but here this 2023 you would have to write 2030 minus 7 whole power 2023. Why I wrote like this? Because this 2030 is the multiple of 7 or not? Check it. So what is our question? What is the remainder? Sorry, when it is divided by 35, not 7. 35 amma. What is the remainder when it is divided by 35? Okay. See, here this 2023 I would like to write 2030 minus 7. Okay. Because this is the multiple of 35. If you want, you can check it. 2030 divided by 5. So here 35 4s or 5s. So how much do you get? 175. So take the difference of this. 13 8. So here 9. 9 minus 7 2 0. So 35 8s 280. 8s 280. You got the remainder 0. Hence, so this 2030 is the multiple of 35. Okay students, in the next step what I am going to do? So same like I am going to expand this. On the expansion you get 2030 some k minus 7 power. Here it is an odd, hence you will get minus sign here. You know, if it is even, here if it is even, if you have here minus sign, in such case you get the plus sign here. You know this. So here it is odd, here it is minus. Hence in the last term you will get negative. Minus 7 power 2023. Now what is the remainder when it is divided by 35? So this is the multiple of 35. Hence remainder would be 0. Now we have to divide this with 35. Now divide. So how I am going to divide this with this? See, observe me. Minus 7 into 7 power 2022 you can write. In the next step, I would like to write this as, so 7 square whole power. So here 10 11 I would like to write. In the next step, I am going to split this as 7 square 49. So 49. Okay. 49, yes, 49, how we can write? Here 35 is there. So 35, okay students, 35, yes, You can 7 square you can write, because before this 7 is there. In the next step what is going to happen? Observe me. 7 square I would like to write 50 minus 1. 49 no? 49 you can write 50 minus 1 whole 4011. So now expand it on this expansion. So here what do you get? 50 into, already we used k here. You can take alphabet m. Okay students, in this expansion 1012 terms you will get. So among that 1012, so from the first 1011 you can take 50 as common. Hence 50 into m inside of the bracket. You get an integer that I am representing with m. Hence it will be 50m. So minus 4 odd number again. So here minus 1 whole 4011, which becomes minus 1 only. So divided by 35. Now send this minus 7 inside, so that you will get minus 7 5 is 35. So 350 into m minus into minus 7 by 35. Okay students. So this is the remainder, because this is a multiple of 35. Hence this will be the remainder. What is the required answer for this question? 7 is the required answer. I hope you have understood. Okay. So this is the multiple of 350. Hence when you divide this with 35, remainder would be 0. Now, here in this case remainder is 0. But here 0 plus 7. 7 is the final required remainder. Okay students. Now you know remainder would be 0 to 34. Now 7 is lying between 0 to 34 now. Hence this is our required answer for this question. I hope you have understood. What is the remainder? When 2023 whole power 2023 is divided by 35. The required answer for this question is 7. How did I do? So in the first step I wrote this 2023 as 2030 minus 7. Next I applied the binomial theorem. So this is the multiple of 35. Hence I took this one. Again this one I wrote minus 7 into 7 for 2022. So in the next step 7 square 1011 I wrote. 7 square you can write 50 minus 1. Now I applied the binomial theorem. I got this. So I multiplied minus 7 with these two. I got this. Now let us go to one more application. See the next question. What is the remainder when 7 power 20 22 plus 3 power 20 22 is divisible by 5? What is the remainder when that is divisible by 5? Okay students, tell me. What is the remainder when 7 power 20 22 plus 3 power 20 22 is divisible by 5? Now, answer to this question. What is the remainder when it is divided by 5? See, this 5, I can write 5 plus 2 whole power 20 22. So this 3, I would like to write 5 minus 2 20 22. 5 minus 2 whole power 20 22 divided by 5. Now apply the binomial theorem for this. So here what do you get students? 5 into, so here 20 22. Okay. So you know, from all that what do you take common? So here 5. You know the students. So 5 into, here 5 power, you know, in this expansion you will get 20 23 terms. From the first to 20 22 terms you can take 5 as common. So hence it should be written as 5m. Inside of the bracket you get very big expansion that I represented with m, that is an integer, you know. So here for the last one 2 power 20, 22 you will get. And for this, same like 5 power 20, 22. It can be written as, so 5n. So here minus 2 whole power 20, 22. Not minus 2, here plus you will get. Because this is an even number. This is an even number, students. Hence you have to write plus, not minus here. Exponent is an even, no? So that here you have to write plus for the last one. So divide with 5. So these two are exactly divisible by 5. Keep it aside. Now 0 plus. So add these two. And adding these two you will get 2 power 20, 23. Because take 2 power 20, 22 common. Inside 1 plus 1 you will get. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into this. 2 power 20, 23 you will get. So now you have to find the remainder when it is divided by 5. So in this type of applications, what do you do? So this first one, I would like to write. So 2 power 1 into 20, 22. So next 2 into. So this I can write 2 square whole power 1011. So now 2 square 4. 4 I can write 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 whole power 1011. Okay. Now divide with 5. So here what do you get? 2 into. So here 5k inside. 5k here minus 1 divided by 5. Okay. Send the 2 inside. You get 2 5s are 10. 10k minus 2 by 5. Now this is the multiple of 5, hence remainder is 0. You are getting remainder minus 2. You know, remainder should not be negative. Hence, in this type of application, what you people have to do? You have to add this minus 5 to the divisor. So, 5 minus 2, which becomes 3. 3 is your required remainder when it is divided by 5. I hope you have understood this. Now, let us go to one more application. See this, students, what is the remainder when 2021 whole power 2022 plus 2022 whole power 2021 is divisible by 7. What is the remainder when it is divisible by 7? What is the remainder when it is divisible by 7? Okay, students. So this one is also same like previous applications. Now let us do whose solution. So this base I would like to write as 2023 minus 2. Why I am writing like this? So here also 23 minus 1 whole power 2021 whole by 7. Yes. Okay, students. Why I wrote 2023 minus 1, 2023 minus here 2, here minus 1? Because 2023 is the multiple of 7. If you want, you can check 2023 divided with 7. 7 2 is 14. Remainder is 6. 7 8 is 56. Now the remainder is here. So 62, 6, 3. So 7 9 is 63. Remainder is 0. Hence this is the multiple of 7. So now apply the binomial theorem for this. If you apply, here you get 2023 as common, k minus. So here it is minus, here it is even number. Hence you will get positive. 2 power 2022. So here, students, tell me 2023. So here I used k, here I can take L. So here minus, here odd number, minus 1 you will get. Minus 1 whole power 2021, which becomes minus 1 by 7. Now, see students, these two will be exactly divisible by 7. Leave it. Now take these two. 20, 2 power 20, 22 minus 1 divisible by 7. Now what is the remainder when it is divided by 7? So what do you do this? So you can write as, so 2 cube students, 2 cube. So if you divide 22 with 3, so 3 6 is 18. Okay, 2, so 3 7 is 3 4 is minus 1 by 7. So 2 cube 8. 8 you can write as 7 plus 1 whole power 674 minus 1 by 7. In the next step it is going to be written as 7m. 7m plus 1 minus 1 by 7. This is exactly divisible by 7 and plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Then your remainder would be 0. Okay students. So nothing is left now here. This is the multiple of 7 and both of them cancel in the remainder place. Okay, you got as 0. Hence, so what is the remainder when it is divided by 7? 0. Because that is dividing exactly. No remainder is left. Hence, the remainder would be 0. This is exactly divisible by 7. Now let us go to one more application. See that. What is the remainder when 3 power 20 22 divisible by 5? This is easy question only, no? 3 power 20 22. What is the remainder when it is divided by 5? Okay students, tell me, how do you do this question? What is the remainder when 3 power 20 22 divisible by 5? So now this 3 you can write as 5 minus 2 whole power 20 22 by 5. Now apply the binomial theorem for this. If you apply binomial theorem for this, you can get, so 5 k minus, so here minus, here it is even, so that you will get plus. So 2 power 20 22 by 5. Now this is exactly divisible by 5. Hence 0 plus 20 22 or so 2 power 20 22 by 5 you have to do. Now 2 power 20 22 divided by 5. So how I have to write? 2 square whole power 10 11 by 5. Okay students. Now 2 square 4. 4 should be written as 5 minus 1 whole power 1011 by 5. Now 5 power m minus your odd number minus 1 by 5. So here this is exactly divisible by 5. You got here minus 1. So whenever you get here minus, what we people have to do? This should be added to this divisor. So 5 minus 1 which is equal to 4. 4 is the required remainder when it is divided by 5. Okay students. I hope you have understood this. Now let us go to one more application. What is the remainder when 11 power 1011 plus 1011 power 11? Tell me students, how do you do this? What is the remainder when 11 power 1011 plus 1011 power 11 is divisible by 9? What is the remainder when it is divisible by 9? Okay, shall we answer? See. Tell me students. What is the remainder when it is divided by 9? How we have to do this? So this 11 I would like to write 9 plus 2 whole power 1011. So this one, So I want to write this as 1008 plus 3 students whole power 11 by 9. So here this can be written as 9k or 9m. So here 2 power 1011. So here 1008 into, here I used m, here I would like to take n, plus 3 power 11 whole by 9. So these two are exactly divisible by 9. Hence leave it. So you have to divide 2 power 1011 plus 3 power 11 by 9. Okay. Now find a remainder where it is divided by 9. I hope you have understood till here. Now I am erasing this. Now do that. So here exponent you got odd number. So basis 2 is there. In such case you better to do like this. 2 into 2 power 1010. So this one you can write. So 3. Here 3 power 11 means that is the multiple of 9 only. When you divide this with 9, so your remainder would be 0. Because 3 power 11. 3 we are multiplying 11 times. So 3 3 is a 9. So this is the multiple of 9 only. Hence when you divide multiple of 9 with 9, your remainder would be 0. So keep it aside, 0 only. When you divide this with 9, you get the remainder 0. And think about this. So 2 into this I would like to write. See 2 power, otherwise you do like C students, 2 power 1011. 1011 is the multiple of 3. Okay. So that you can write 2 cube. 3 3 is a 9. Okay. So 1 to 11, 3 3 is a 9. 3 7 is a 21. So 3 into 337, which becomes 1011. Why I wrote 2 cube? In the next step, this 8. 2 cube 8. 8 I would like to write 9 minus 1 whole power 337. So here you got remainder 0. Keep it aside. Now do this. 9 into k. Here minus your odd number. Minus 1 by 9. Now this is the multiple of 9. Here you got minus. I said to you to add this minus 1 to the 9. So that you get 8. So here remainder 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 is the required remainder. Okay students. Right. Next, let us go to one more application. See this. What is the remainder when this is divided by 18? 3 into 7 power 2022 plus 2 into 10 power 2022 minus 44 divided by 18. 18. Tell me students. Okay students, what is the remainder when it is divided by 18? How do you do this question? Tell me students. So here 3 is there, here 7 is there. 7 you can write 9 minus 2. Here you can write 9 plus 1. So 3, I would like to write 7 as 9 plus 1 whole power 2022. So 2 into this 10. I would like to write 9 plus 1 whole power 2022 minus 44 divided by 18. Now, so this you can write students 9 into 3 into 9k. So 3 into 9k plus 1. I am applying binomial theorem. So 2 into this 9L plus 1 minus 44 divided by 18. Now send 3 inside. 3 9s are 27. 27K. Okay, students. 27K. 27K. Right, next. So this is 2 9s are 18. 18. 18. L plus 2 ones are 2 minus 44 divided by 18. Okay, students. Now, see students, I would like to take here 9 is 7 is there. 7 you can write 9 minus 2, sorry, here 9 minus 2. Sorry, 9 minus 2. Not 9 plus 1, 9 minus 2. Otherwise, you can write 6 plus 1. Instead of writing 9 minus 2, you better to write 6 plus 1. Because we have to find the remainder when it is divided by 18. If you write 6 plus 1 in the next step, 6 3 is 18. Multiple of 18 you will get here. On writing 9 minus 2, you are getting 27. Whether it is divisible by 18 or not, we don't know. So, if you write 6 plus 1, you get the more clarity. So, here. So 6K plus 1 you will get. So finally 18K plus 18. 18K plus 18. So here 18K plus 1 you will get. 18K plus 3. Here also 18L plus 1. Yes, it is correct. Now this is divisible by 18. Here 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 minus 44 minus 39. Minus 39 divided by 8. Okay, students. Now what is the remainder when it is divided by 18? Tell me. So here this is a multiple of 18. Hence when you divide this with the 18, remainder is 0. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 44 minus 39. So in this type of models, what do you do to get the remainder? You have to read the multiple of 18. 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54. So that 54 is more than minus 39. So subtract. So this 39 from 54. 54 minus 39. So I think 14, yes, 15 is the required remainder. So in this, what do you do? Take the nearest multiple of this 18 nearer to 39. That should be more than the 39. So 54. What is the multiple of 18 which is next to 39? 54, no? So from which you have to subtract this 39. So 15 is the required remainder. This 15 is lying from 0 to smaller than 18. So what is the remainder when a number is divided by 18? So possible values of remainder 0 to 17. Okay, students, now 15 is lying from 0 to 17. Hence this is the required remainder. I hope you have understood how I have evaluated this. Now let us go to the one more application. What is the remainder when 2021 whole power 3762 by 17? What is the remainder when it is divided by? What is the remainder when it is divided by 17? Tell me, students, how do you do this? Now I would like to write this 2021 as 2023 minus 2. Why I am writing like this? Can you expect? Because 2023 is a multiple of 17. If you want, you can divide 2023 with 17. You will get confirmation. 17 1 is 17. So remainder is 3. So 2. 17 1 just 17. So here 15 3. So 17 9 is the 153. Hence 2023 is the multiple of 17. So you can write. So now apply the binomial theorem for this, so that you will get 2023 some k minus your even number is there. You can get plus 243762 whole by 17. So in the next step, what do you do, students? So when you divide this 70 with 17, remainder would be 0, and divide 243762 by 17. Now, so this one I can write 2 power 4. Okay. Now divide this with 4 9s are 36. 36 1 4. No, it is not exactly divisible by 4 now. So you cannot write to 2 power 4. 4 9s are 36, 4 4s are 16. So you cannot write. So how do you write this? 2 square. Now divide 3762 with 4 amma. So 4 9s are 36. 2 remainder no. So you better to write like this first. 2 square into 2,43760. Now it is exactly divisible by 4 by 17. So in the next step, observe me how I am going to simplify this 2 square, which becomes 4, and this 2,43760 I would like to write 2 power 4 whole power. 4 9s are 36, 4 4s are 16, 940 by 17. So 4 power, this 2 power 16, I can write 17 minus 1 whole power 940 by 17. Now here 4 into 17. So here already we used the letter K. Here you can write M. Here minus your even number, which becomes positive. So 1 you will get by 17. So now multiply these two with 4. You get 4 7 ja, 17 4 ja 68 K M plus 4 by 17. Now this is the multiple of 17. Hence remainder is 0. Here 0 plus 4, 4. 4 is the required remainder for this question. Okay, students? Right. Now let us go to one more question. Now, what is the fractional part of 3 power 200 by 8? Fractional part of 3 power 200 by 8. Very easy, no? So in my previous class also I gave you one model related to this. Fractional part of this when divided by 8 means, so this has to be written 3 square whole power 100 by 8. Now 3 square 9. 9 should be written as, so here in the divisor here, divisor 8 is there. 3 square 9. 9 should be written as 8 plus 1 whole power 100 by 8. Now, so, okay, apply the binomial theorem for this. You get 8k plus 1 by 8. Now this is a multiple of 8. So here, when you divide this with this, you get k. K plus 1 by 8. This is an integer. This is the fractional part. Fractional part should lie from 0 to 1. So 1 by 8 is lying from 0 to 1 only, no? Hence, that is our required fractional part in this division. Okay, students? I hope you have understood these models. So these type of models are frequently occurring in the mains exams. I hope you can utilize these models. So in the next class I will come with other models. Thank you, students. This class here itself I am closing. Kindly I am requesting you to subscribe, like and share my channel so that my classes reaches to many people. Thank you, students. Thank you one and all.